Hey guys, today in this video we are going to see review about this awesome product called HostZPresso, which is basically help you to host unlimited websites and domains. Plus they also provide free SSL certificate for every site. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have some free bonuses for you. So to learn more about it, stick till the end of the video, and to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely do check out the link in the description guys. So now let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome to HostZPresso getting started video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to point out your domain and how to install WordPress from your control panel. And you can see that this is my HostZPresso control panel, and I have added my domain winners.club. And after adding your domain, you will receive an email like this, and you just need to put this DNS server for your domain, and you can change them from your domain register. So you can see that here's the DNS, custom DNS. So I just purchased this domain and I have added this domain to my HostZPresso account, and let's see how to point out my domain. So this is my domain, and let's click manage here. So you can see that here's the name server of my domain winners.club. So I have to click here and select the custom DNS, and now I have to put here the custom name server from the email. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and this is the second one. So I have put the custom DNS, and I just need to click here the save button. Okay, the DNS server is updated, so it may take some time. So let's go back to the control panel, and from here I have to create a new database for WordPress. So let's go to MySQL database management, and from here I have to create a new database. So let's say it will be winners.db, and let's keep same as database name, the username, and let's generate a password. Let's copy the password, and let's click here create database. Okay, let's copy this, paste here. So now the database is created, and let's go to the file manager sections. So from here you have to go to the public HTML folder, and you have to upload the WordPress script here. So the WordPress script you will find in wordpress.org, and you have to download the script. So let's download the latest WordPress script, and you can see that the script is downloading. So the script download is complete, and let's go back to the file manager, and you can see the file manager here. So I have to upload the script here. So I'm going to click here, and let's click upload files and click here. So I need to go to the download. Here's the WordPress script, and I'm just uploading the script here. So script uploading is complete, and now I have to extract the script. So you can see that I have extracted the script, and the script is in the WordPress folder. So here's the WordPress folder. So I just need to go to the winners.club/WordPress folder, and I'll see the installation page here. So I have selected the language English, and let's click OK, and let's go with the process. So I have to put here my database name, username, password, and the database host, and table prefix. So let's put here my database name, username, password. So I put all of my information to install, and let's click here submit button, and let's click the run installation button. So now I have to put here my site title, username, and this is my password. So let's put here my site title. So now I have to save my password and username. So let's click the install WordPress button. So now I can log into my WordPress account. Let's click here login, and this is my login URL. So I am also saving this. So you can see that now I can log in to my WordPress account. Let's put here my username, and let's put here my password. Alright, so this is my WordPress site, and this is my WordPress account admin site. So this is how you can install WordPress on your HostZPresso account, and from your control panel you can manage everything. So thanks for watching this video.